Hey guys, I'm telling you how to do face scrub today with the banana skin. We're not going to throw it. This is a great way to use when you're doing your face scrub. So I'm going to add some brown sugar. Then I'm going to add honey. Then I'm going to add little bit lemon. Then I'm going to start scrub my face like that. Scrub all over again. So honey has a natural antibacterial properties which help to prevent and fight acne, gently unclogs pores and moisturizing the skin, leaves your skin feeling smooth and soft and give your skin glow tone. So if you not got brown sugar, don't worry, you can add the white sugar. And lemon juice is naturally contains vitamin C. It has an antioxidant that may help reduce skin damage and premature aging. So keep doing like this. So it's helped to remove your dead skin as well. And if you got any pigmentation or dark patches, it's helped to remove as well. So just scrubs like that. Well, so it's very easy way. Just hold it and like that. Gently wash and you can apply the moisturizer. It will be great. Scrub about 5 to 10 minutes.